join on time. See, if you have done your homework, okay, Andrea, you have the homework with you? Yeah, cross check, I'll solve it. Look at the question, students. Alia, you're able to answer? Can you answer the question? Okay, tell me the fifth one. What is principal? How many years? 3 years. So you have to show the first year calculation, right? In compound interest, what do we do, students? Compound, very good. Year by. If 3 year is given and it is compounded yearly, have they given anywhere semi-annually, half-yearly? No. Right? No. Take first year. Right? First year. Principal is equals to 75,000. What is time? Time is equals to 1 year. Time 1 year. And what about the rate, students? For the first 2 years, what they have given? Which are the two questions I had given? Fourth and fifth, right? Fifth and sixth. Okay, fine. First year, principal is equals to 75,000. Time is equals to 1 year. Rate, just take R. R is equals to 15% for first year. So what's the compound interest, students? You calculate 75. Two zeros gets cancelled. 0. 75 into 15. 1125. So it is 11,250. Then you have to calculate amount. 75,000 plus 11,250. And this will be the principal for which year? Principal for the first year or second year? First year is done. 86,250. Okay, principal for which year? It should be principal for second year, and yeah, second year. First year calculation is done, students. Second year. Okay, for second year, right? Second year, what is the principal? 250 time. Same 1 year. Take 1 or 1 year. Rate, is it same or different? For the first 2 years, it is 15, right? 15% calculated. So if you calculate again, you'll get amount, students. Amount. And that amount of year, third year. And third year, what will be the rate? 16%. Clear? That is how we solve. I'm going to skip this, students. We have done lot of question. Even the fifth one, sixth one, I'll just explain sixth one. I gave it for homework. You have to try and check the answer in textbook. Next, sixth question. Principal for first year, what's the principal? 16,000. Time is equals to 1 year. Rate is equal to what? 10%. So 16,000, 1 year, 10%. What is compound interest if you calculate? Gets cancelled, you get 1,000. Okay, 1,600. Anna, why are you late, Anna? Okay, where is homework? Yesterday I gave 2 questions. Why you didn't solve? Yes, you completed? Couldn't have text. You should have told me, right? I'd have sent you the question or you should have taken screenshot. Why? Where's your textbook, Anna? You didn't buy? You should have told me yesterday. I would have sent you the questions, right? You'll have to practice, students. Why? What work you'll have apart from studying? 1 hour you'll attend class. Hardly 15-20 minutes to do the homework question. Even that if you're not able to dedicate. Okay, 1600 is the compound interest. What is the amount, students? 16,000 plus 1600. Very good. This will be the principal for which year? Second year. About the rate. Sixth question. Rate is same or different? Very good. 14%. So it's the same. I'm going to skip this. It's the same, students. You do it. 14%. Find the amount for third year. Calculate again 10%. Nothing is going to change. It's the same. Seventh question. Calculate the compound interest for the first year on what? 8,000. Invested for how many years? Calculate the compound interest for the second year or which year? Second year. See, this question they've given us to confuse. They've given 3 years, but how many years compound interest you have to calculate? Only the second year, right? Only the second year. And one more thing. Is it possible to calculate directly second year? Is it possible? No. Only through first year you can calculate, students. Look at the seventh question for first year principal. Try this. 8,000. Time is equals to 1 year. Rate is equals to 10%. Calculate compound interest. Okay, what did you get for second year? Calculate even for second year, Andrea. Okay, Anna done. 8,000 into 1 into 10 divided by 100. Two zeros gets cancelled. We have 800. And for second year, before calculating second year, we need to find amount. 8,000 plus 800 is 8,800. Right, second year. For second year principal, and you have to write all these data, students. These data are important. If not, they'll reduce marks. Principal is 8,800. Time is equals to 1 year. Rate is equals to 10%. Compound interest is 8,800 into 1, 880. What they've asked here, go through the question again, seventh one, what they've asked. Respond. Calculate the compound interest for the second year. Invested for 3 years. Do we need third year calculation? No. Just to confuse, they have given third year. Did we find second year compound interest? 880. Write it. Right? Compound interest for the second year is equals to rupees 880 is the answer. So amount is not asked, only compound interest is asked. Find the compound interest correct to nearest. Okay. Shall we try the next one? Eighth question. We'll do the eighth one. First, listen. First, I'll explain. Look at the question. Find the compound interest correct to nearest rupees on principal. What is time period given here? 2 1 by 2 years. What do you mean by 2 1 by 2 years, students? So first year you have to take first year, next second year. For first year, what will be the time? Time will be 1. For second year, 1. But for third year, it is not 1. What is given? All of the respond. For third year, it is half. Right? How many years is given total? 3 years or 2.5 years? Okay. For third cycle, the time what you have to take time as 1 by 2. At 5%. What about the rate? Rate is same for all three. 5%, 5%, and 5%, right? Yeah. Calculate it. Start solving, students. Eighth question. Did you get any message from school, students, regarding your school reopen next week, right? Monday? Okay. Then from Monday 25th. From Tuesday onwards, full day? Okay, 12:30. Fine. We'll try to complete this exercise and next one is left. Complete it. What about Anna? Alia completed? Okay, let me write soon. Just cross check your answer. Eighth question. First year, right? First year. For first year, principal is equals to 2400. Time, take it as 1. 1 year or just take it as 1. R is equals to 5%. So compound interest is equals to 2400 into 1 into 5 divided by 100. Two zeros gets cancelled. What's the answer? 120. As soon as you find, remember, for compound interest, amount is very important. Only with the help of that you can move forward to the next year. Amount is equals to 2400 plus 120 is equals, very good, 2520. 2520, right? Second year. Now start second year calculation. Principal is equals to 2520. Time is equals to 1 year. R is equals to same. Rate is not changed. Compound interest is equals to 2520 into 1 into 5. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are, how come 120? Okay, 2 ones are, right? 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are 12. Good. 126. Amount is equals to 2520 plus 120. Very good. 2646. Next, for third year, it is half year students, 2.5 years. Okay. Sometimes they'll give two. What are the different ways they can give you the question? They can give 2 1 by 2 years, or what else? How else they can mention 2 years, and how many months they can mention? 2 years, 6. Good, 6 months. So 2 years is fine. 2 years you have taken look here, 1 year and 1 year. How will you convert the 6 months, student? 6 months into a 6 divided by 6 divided by what? 12. That is how you get 1 by 2. But in this question, they have given directly. So third year, for third year, principal is equals to 2646. Time is equals to half year. Rate is equals to 5%. See, half is already given, students. So 2 goes to the denominator. 2 year into 100. What's the answer you got? Okay, let me cancel. 5 ones are 5 goes 20 times. How many times 2 goes? 2 ones are 1 3 2 3. This 2 0 is given. Can I write 2 into 10, students? Can we write 2 into 10? Keep 10 as it is. Divide 1 3. See, I'm teaching you all the calculation part. This is the important part. 1 3 2 3 divided by 2, not by 20. 2 6 are 12. Next, 2 6 are, you get 3, right? Okay, let me show the calculation. 2646. 2646, 1 by 2, 100. 5 ones are 5, 20. Next, 2 ones are 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Divided by 20. Always split it like this, 2 into 10. The 10 we can use shifting method later. We can use shifting method. method. 1, 3, 2, 3. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. Bring down this 2. 2 6 are 12. Okay, there is no remainder. Bring this 3 down, students. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 1. What should I put here? Point and 0. 2 5s is how much? 2 5s are 10. So what are we getting, students? 661.5 divided by what is left? I'll tell you. 661.5. This 10 is left, right? Use shifting method for division. Which side do we move the decimal? Left hand side or right hand side? All three of you remember shifting method? Left hand side. Left hand side, what's the answer? Just a minute. Oh. Yes, did you all understand shifting method? The left hand side, how many zeros are there? 1 0, right? 1 0, one position, students. One position, 66.15. And later you can add that, you'll get the answer. Clear? Okay, give me 2 minutes. I'll be back. Okay, take break. We'll continue at 1:15. Take 5 minutes break. Continue at 1. Okay, shall we continue? All three of you online? Fine, students. So this calculation, did you all understand why I split 2 into 10? Is it clear? Okay. If you try to divide directly, sometimes you might go wrong. So always split. Whenever there are tens, hundreds, or thousands, split it. So you'll get 66.15. Okay. What is 66.15, students? What's the amount? 2646 plus 66.15. What's the answer you got? 2646 plus 66.15. 2712.15. Two seven one two point one five. Okay. Ninth question, students. Look at the ninth one. Read the ninth. A borrowed 2000 from whom? From B at 12% per annum compound interest. After 2 years, A gave how much? 2000. Okay. What do you mean by borrow, students? What is borrow actually? Borrow meaning is principal or amount. When you borrow something, you call it as principal. How much is principal? 2500. Okay. And when you give back, what do you call it? Principal or amount? When you give it to someone, return someone. When you return it, when you return the amount, what do you call? When you return the money, when you give it back, you call amount. What is the amount? 2936. Is this clear? Principal and amount is given, right? And what is the difference between them? The difference is 436. Why is this 436 today? What do we call this different or extra amount? All three of you will respond. What do you call this extra amount? We call it as interest. Very good. This interest was paid for how many years? Tell me. Yes, 2 years. Okay. A gave to and a watch to B to clear the account. Find the cost of the watch. Okay, fine. The question is, how many people are there here? 2 people, right? Who's borrowed from whom, students? Who has borrowed money from whom? Yes. So A from B, which means you have to calculate whose interest. A's interest, right? A's interest. Yes. Look here. I'll tell you. A borrowed 2,500. So we'll calculate A borrowed. Just write like this. A borrowed from B. From B, write the values here. A borrowed from B. First year, total how many years is given? 2 years. For first year, we'll show the calculation. What is principal, students? Principal is 2,500. Rate is equal to 12%. And what's the time? Time is equal to 1. Calculate for first and second year. Tell me the interest, students. Calculate for first and second year. Start solving. Completed. Tell me the value, students. What is compound interest for first year? 300. What is the amount? 2,500 plus 300 is 2,800. So A borrowed from B, students. And what did B pay after 2 years? B should pay the total amount, right? That is what we are calculating. But actually, what did B pay? After 2 years, I mean, A gives 2,936, and what? Along with that, he also gives a watch. So first we'll calculate the amount. For second year, tell me the calculation. Principal is 2,800. Time is equals to same 1 year. Rate is equals to same 12%. It is not changed. Yeah. Compound interest is 2800 into 1 into 12 divided by 100. 28 into 12. 336. 336. So what's the final amount? Yeah, tell me students, what's the final amount? 336, right? So amount is equals to 2800 plus 336. How much is it? 3001. So this is the amount who should pay to whom? Respond. Who should pay to whom? A should pay to whom? B, right? Yeah, A should pay to B. But what did A pay, students? How much did A pay? 3136 or 2936? And a watch. So how much does the watch cost? How will you calculate? No, no. A paid. No, no. Look here. A paid. How much A paid? 2936 plus a watch, right? A watch. Okay. Total how much A has to pay? Total how much A has to pay? 3136. So look here. A's total. A should A's total amount. A's total amount. A's total amount should be equal to 2936 plus watch. Amount of watch, students. What's A's total amount? What he should pay? 3000 is equals to 2936. You can take the cost of watch rupees X. Okay. You can take what? Cost of watch to be how much? X. Or X, or you can just write cost of the watch, students. It doesn't matter. Usually unknown values, we take it as X. Write the statement, or you can do it directly. So A's total amount is equals to 2936 plus watch. You can write cost of watch. Let cost of watch plus cost of watch be X. So plus X. If you want to find X, what happens to 2936? It gets subtract. This is how we get X value. Yes, rupees 200 is the cost of the watch. So we have taken it as X, then write it right here. Cost of watch is equals to 1. Understood? So this is how they'll ask you, students. We need to find 2 years. They'll tell 2 years plus a watch is given. I mean 2936 plus watch. So if some unknown item is given, take it as X. Take it as X and solve it. Completed? Okay, that's it, students. So which question is this? Ninth one. Can you see the 10th one? All three of you will respond. What is given? How much will 50,000 principal? Amount 2. Can you see amount? We need to find amount for how many years? Yes, compounded yearly, every year. So every year is the rate same or different? Different. Will you try the 10th one for homework? Okay, 10th one. 11th and 12th is half year, students. Can you see the word half year is given? Respond. Half year, 11th question and 12th. We'll do that. Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow. It's a totally different concept. I'll explain tomorrow. Clear? Okay, same time. Instead of 12:40, just attend 5 minutes early, students. Attend at 12:35 or 12:30. I'll attend. Well, joining 10-15 minutes late. Okay, that's it for today. Try the 10th question for homework. Clear? You all can leave.